What's up, YouTube? I have a 2016 Volkswagen Jetta here, and we are going to show you what it's like to remove and install a cabin filter. So basically, you come over here to the passenger side. Underneath the glove box, you're gonna see that one twist clip, well, twist screw, and then that one. So there are two. Sometimes we're gonna see if we can get this off by hand. You just take it, yep, and it just twists right off by hand. But they have a screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver head on them, and then this one comes off by hand too, because these shouldn't be in there tight at all. They're plastic going into plastic, so it shouldn't be tight. So it's that too, and you just take this felt pad, pull down on it, and you pull that on out. I remove that, and then you have the cover right here. This is the cover. You take this, slide it forward. You can see it has these little slide locks right here, and that goes into the cabin filter. So when you push it up there, it goes into the cabin filter just like that. So you take the cover off and you pull this on out. You always want to pay attention, wow, that is filthy. You always want to pay attention to how this comes out, and the slant comes out facing the passenger side of the vehicle. So you always want to remember that. So you're going to install this one the same way that one came out. Just like that, with the slant facing the passenger side of the vehicle. Let's get this up and out of the way. So you take this and you slide that on back in there. Okay. And once you get that in there, you can see this has the same thing. This has the little slots for the slide lock on the cover. So you want to take that and you want to fit that in there. Come on, focus. Focus. You fit that in there and then you push that up just like so, and you slide forward. You see that? You want to slide it forward to where it's locked. All the way. Now that's locked all the way. And that's how you want to do it. So that's how you put the cover back up there. Once you get the cabin filter in there. Then after that, it's back to the little felt pad. And that goes with this end facing the passenger side of the vehicle. So you put that on back up there. Just like so. You can see there's slots for the vents, for the floor vents. You just put the screws up in there. And after you put the screws in there, you are finished. And that is how you install a cabin filter on a 2016 Volkswagen Jetta. A very easy installation. If I helped you guys out, you like it, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you like, and have a good day.